See here, I'm discussing about that website live chat. So people are asking one question. So I have the website is there. I can't give answer to the customers. So how many people are coming to my site? How to check my live traffic? How to create a live chat on my website? So you can check for live traffic, one advantages, and you can check for live chat with your customer. They can give for doubt. You can give by reply also. First of all, we can go to site name is called here is there Tawak.2. This is called Tawak 2. This will be Tawak. The value name is called this one. This is totally free chart. Nothing will be paid here. First of all, sign up your account, name, email, and password. So first of all, set up your account here. So account was created here. First, I'm entering for username, email ID, and password. After that, select your language. Always English. Next one, site name and site URL. Just you can write here so much in Hyderabad. We can writing for URL. Once setup done, we can go option call is email verification. So we can give access to the n number of users as a permission for in this. Now click for right now. I'm not give any kind of permission for the new email address. I'm click for skip. Now here is generating for code here. This is our code part. In this code, we can place where on your website. Before place the code, go to email first. We can verify your email address. This is called account activation. Now click for email confirmation. Once email confirmation, the site will be login for mobile app and desktop also. They will be setup will be successful be finished. The live chat purpose is called two reason. With the customer interaction, second will be check the live traffic daily wise. Now you can see this one. Close here. Again, my account will be confirmed. So where you can take the code. The code will be taken where setting. This is a code. This is the link. We can adding will be two ways. One is called coding. Second will be chart option using two methods. So here, just I'm copy this total code. Okay. So this website any chart will be there. Nothing will be there. Now I can go cPanel. Go to File Manager. Before paste the code, first of all, check the live chart information. The information given by where? Setting, the option call is trigger. So once the coming to this option, we can go back, not click for here, click for administration. People are first confused. First check the total options. Now, if any option will be change your description. Now click for here. Here is I'm changing for message is called welcome to our site. So I'm writing for so they're writing I'm writing here. So take the website. I'm taking for contact details. He's not give any kind of contact form. Why? Because it's totally given by the by phone numbers. Select it here. If he is not available, is got by mail. It is available. They can chat by customer within a second. Now click for save. If you delay how many seconds? 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Always you can put in for 10 seconds for coming to the message on your mobile. Save here. Administration. Done. Where? Copy this code. For your static website, you can code paste for all pages. Where? Select the page. Here you can select by the public underscore HTML. Go to cPanel, File Manager, public underscore HTML. First, take the notepad. You can design your coding part. That is called division. division, share the code, done. Here before that, give for break option. Every coding we can give by break. Now, first of all, I can go to the contact us page, then edit. This code enter by final stage, where this code will enter by here. After footer, enter this code. Now click for save. I can see here, refresh. You get the live chart on your in this option here. See this. You got? You can go to remaining pages. No live chart. Why? This code add by entire pages. Dynamic. One page will be fixed. Suppose you're not interested code, you can go with the one more option is there. That is called give by menu bar is called chart. So now here, this one, I can add by one here. About.html. Final stage. Don't forget the coding part. Break nothing but give the space. Next one. Go to about, check it. After code is done, you check by your page. See this message. Next one. Select for index.html page. Select it in this. I can show for two options. With login, without login. Now click here. This better to add this code will be in this after footer, the body of the line. Go to home page. So you can check. So still is not activate. Then this one. Next one, you can check this option first. Is activate or not? Suppose not activate. What you will do? We can for activate. Now is not activate. What will do? Go to particular page. The page name is rsma.html. Select it. Edit. Search your file. Paste it. Save change. I can see this one. When login, the chat live chat will be possible. So yeah, I'm doing for one reason in this. I can go to setting. I go to dashboard. Okay, this all option will be there in this option here. Just here. You can check all information in this option here. Which one? Group, incoming chart, request, show visitor detail in our show only my ongoing chart. This all will be enabled. See, right? Visitors. I can check. You go to the dashboard. This is a monitor option for your site. Next one, active chart, 0 members. Coming to message and reporting, and this option. This is all your chart related. Next one, your setting. This all. Clear? This is for your chart purpose on your site. When login, the chart will be available. So this purpose we have to install on your mobile for chart purpose. Install, go to Play Store, same name. Go to Play Store, what is the name called? Tawak is your app name. Search for TWAK. No, So this time is not available. Search for it. This is a app. Install where on your mobile. You can chat with you or interact with the new customers. This is called. This is called create live chat on your website for your chatting purpose and check the live traffic purpose. Now people asking few questions. Here they're showing for something here. Customer support they can show powered by Tawak 2. The remove that option is called. We can go for pro plan. They can use a certain plan. Can go to purchase that plan. The remove for in this option. If you are licensed one using, the option will be not available. If you're using for normal version, is a free version. They're using for here. Here you can getting for like, dislikes, add your attachment and your comment. Everything will be possible by in this chart. If is it not available chart, what happened? So here, first I can show in this without chart. Now I'm not available in the live chart. So what we'll do? I'm clicking for logout. Done. Just go and refresh. Within a second, name, email, message, click for submit. Received by who? Which email received with Tawak? They got by email. I can see. Rock. Done. If you send message like this, just go to here, open. In this, we got message by here. So wait for getting message. You got an offline message, name and email address and message. A message writing for phone number also. This is called the support by offline message. Your form is not available. They can support by offline also. This is very important for your site for live chat purpose.